Hi, welcome to LearnZilla. And today we have come with another placement test update. Today we are going to discuss about TCS, India's largest IT services company, and they're conducting National Qualified Test. The test for August exam is 30th August 2021 and application closing date is 15th August 2021. But before we go into the details of the National Qualified Test, let's see what is the hiring situation. How many companies are hiring this year? Mainly hiring freshers. We got very positive news for entry level positions this year. You can see these headlines: TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL Tech hiring target more than 1.1 lakh freshers. And TCS will be hiring over 40,000 freshers from campuses in India this year, and Infosys plan to hire 35,000 college graduates. Go to the next news. TCS to hire 40,000 freshers. The IT services company, the largest employer in the private sector with a base of more than 5 lakh employees, had hired 40,000 graduates in 2021 and they'll continue the trend this year. You go to HCL Tech. Again here, HCL Tech to hire 22,000 freshers this year. So all these IT companies are doing very well this year, even in the lockdown. So it's a great news for freshers to join IT services company. Now coming back to the TCS National Qualified Test homepage, I would like to point out how do you prepare for this test. On right hand side, you can see the screenshot of the LearnZilla app, India's best placement training app, which you can download from Google Play Store. In the app, we cover aptitude tests and coding videos and technical MCQ, along with providing TCS NQT mock test. The mock test you can take unlimited times, and each time you take the question changes. So now let's get into detail of the National Qualified Test, and I'll be pointing out the features of the LearnZilla app as we go through the test syllabus. And before we get into the TCS NQT variants, I would like to point out how important this TCS NQT test is. This test score is recognized and acknowledged by all these companies: Tata Electronics, Titan, Equifax, Data Patterns, UXD Jobs, Chroma, Mosambik, Vistry, Prototech, Happiest Mind, one of the fastest growing IT companies, Refinitiv, Noricon Group. All these companies acknowledge TCS NQT, but you have to apply individually for all these companies with your TCS NQT scores. Now let us discuss in detail about TCS National Qualified Test. This test is a multi-level assessment to assess the skills of candidates. So just remember there are two aspects. There is the mandatory aspect, that's NQT, which test your cognitive skills, and attitudinal alignment of psychometric test. And then there is industry NQT and subject NQT, depending on which profession you are applying for. Now let us discuss a little more about the test. As informed earlier, the NQT or cognitive skill test is prerequisite for all the tests, means it's mandatory. And the validity of NQT score is 2 years. It is conducted online. You can take it online right now. Candidates with NQT score will be eligible to apply on the TCS and job listing portal. On the same portal, this portal, you can apply for jobs. And you can apply for entry-level job in many corporate companies. Who can apply? Undergraduate, postgraduate, diploma students in pre and final year. Students with any degree and specialization or discipline. Freshers with less than 2 years experience. Again, NQT or cognitive skill score is prerequisite for all these tests. And if you see on the right hand side, LearnZilla app, we provide the cognitive skill training. So we have quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability, data interpretation. All this comes under cognitive skills. And later on, we have also psychometric test on the LearnZilla app. Now let us discuss about TCS NQT variants. There are many variants depending on the job you are applying for. So the basic mandatory is TCS NQT, which is test of cognitive skill or aptitude skills. So it tests your cognitive skills to get job opportunities in various corporations. The cost of this test is $5.99 and then activate it once you pay the fees. Then we have attitudinal alignment NQT or psychometric test. It assesses your personality traits. Again, it costs $3.99. You can activate it on this site. Then if you are industry NQT, if you are applying for information technology, you should take a assessment test of standardized assessment test. It tests the knowledge of the IT industry, structure, processes and trends. And then anyone applying for banking and financial services, they should have a knowledge of BFS industry. Both these tests cost $3.99 and you activate it on this site. With subject NQT, we get more specific. So there are two subject NQT tests, IT programming and basic computer skills. So in IT programming, they assess your core programming skills. Again, it costs $3.99. You can buy and activate the test. And basic computer skills, they test your basic computer skills and you can buy and activate it for $3.99. Now we go to the discount pack, the bundle pack. If you take this pack, you get a discounted price for all your tests depending on your industry type. So TCS NQT IT Career Readiness Pack tests cognitive skills, psychometric tests and programming skills, which you can get for $9.99. Then there's TCS NQT BFS Career Readiness Pack. So they test your cognitive, psychometric, financial market skills to get you hired by banking and financial sector companies. And if you're still confused about all the TCS NQT variants, they have a very good guideline sheet. So let's select this guideline sheet. So guideline sheet for TCS NQT variants. So BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc students can give this test where NQT cognitive skills and subject NQT IT programming. Any undergraduate or postgraduate degree, they can give cognitive skills, subject banking, basic computer skills. Same, if you have BCom, BBA, MBA, BSc, MSc, you can give cognitive skills, subject NQT with financial market services, industry NQT, banking, financial services. So they made it all simplified on this chart on the same website. And remember, on the right hand side, we have the Learnzilla app. So for any cognitive skills and IT programming and attitudinal alignment NQT or psychometric test, we have covered in the Learnzilla app. So now let us summarize the TCS NQT test process. So your journey to dream job in TCS or any of the group companies mentioned before, first step is to register. Go to the site learningtcsinhub.in and register yourself. I'll be putting the link in the description. Step 2, buy a TCS NQT variant. First you have to take the mandatory TCS NQT test variant and then your subject variant or industry variant. Step 3, take the test. Get a good score and the score will be valid for 2 years. And final, apply for corporate jobs as per eligibility criteria. Most of the company listed will mention that they accept TCS NQT scores. And to prepare for TCS NQT, again on the right hand side we have the Learnzilla app with all the cognitive skills or aptitude tests, videos, notes and mock test of TCS NQT which you can take unlimited times. Plus in the description I have put a discount coupon code which you can use to subscribe to the Learnzilla app. Thanks.